Step 7. Making the voucher collection. This is the most important step of the entire process. The most important step. Fill a sample vial with 90% isopropyl alcohol. Next, place 1 or 2 specimens of each macroinvertebrate type you found into the sample vial. Remember, you don't have to identify these macroinvertebrates. You just have to find all the different types that are in the stream. If you are in doubt about whether or not to include a macroinvertebrate, put it in. It's better to have 2 copies than not to include a type at all.
Is that okay?
Using a pencil, not a pen, write your sample label including the stream name, the date it was collected, the latitude-longitude coordinates, and your name. Insert this label inside the sample vial. I want to emphasize again that this is the most important step because the sample is really your data. If it's not in the voucher collection, then it doesn't count.